The Parrot and the Hunter. Once upon a time, a hunter traveled to the jungle once a year and spent a whole month hunting. The last week he would catch a live animal and take it home. One year he caught a parrot, took it home, and taught it to talk. The following year, the parrot asked the hunter to tell the rest of the birds when he returned to the jungle that he was well. The hunter did so, and when the jungle fowl heard him, one dropped dead instantly. Upon returning from his hunting trip, the hunter told the parrot what had happened, and the parrot automatically dropped dead inside the cage. The hunter cried and took the parrot out of the cage. Then the parrot took advantage of flying away because it had pretended to be dead. The jungle bird had taught him how to escape by faking his death as well. Moral of the story: sometimes certain aspects of your life have to die to be free again. You have to let go of relationships, addictions, jobs, and anything else that no longer adds to you to get out of the cage you are locked in.